If you want to succeed as a creator, you need an email list full of people who can't wait to hear from you. Now, to get there, you'll need call to actions that will turn a simple landing page visitor into an actual email subscriber. Angel Marie here, creator educator at ConvertKit, here to walk you through the call to action best practices for effective email list growth. Let's dive in. A call to action is a short statement that invites people to take a specific action. You'll find CTAs on landing pages, in blog posts, organic social media posts, and paid ads. Now, the goal is to get your target audience to take action, whether that means clicking through, signing up, or making a purchase. If your landing page speaks to your visitor and matches their expectation, it will get your visitor much closer to clicking and subscribing. Now, really great, captivating call to actions could include terms like get instant access, send me updates, give me the guide, send it my way, and so many more great CTAs that can get more specific depending on the exact niche that you're in. Regardless of the CTA you choose, there's a few best practices you'll want to make sure you follow. Number 1, focus on a single goal. You might be tempted to ask your landing page visitor to also follow you on Instagram, subscribe to your YouTube channel, and reach out to you on Twitter. The problem with that? It will reduce your chances of getting them to complete the main action, which is signing up to your email list. A smarter way to do this is to first get your visitor on your email list. Then, use your thank you page and your welcome email to shift their attention to your social media profiles. Number 2. Get specific about what's in it for your audience. Your call to action is about your audience and what they need, not about what you're hoping to achieve. So think about how you want your visitor to feel and use it to put your audience front and center as you write out your CTA. Number 3, make your CTA easy to find and click on. More specifically, place your CTA high on the page and make sure that you remove any distractions. Don't make your visitors scroll multiple times to find the opt-in form and the CTA button. Also, be sure to use colors that will make your CTA stand out. Use colors that reflect your branding, but also make sure your CTAs stand out against the background. Now that we know the call to action best practices, let's go ahead and walk through how to customize your very own CTA when you create a landing page right in ConvertKit. The first thing you'll do is click on Landing Pages and Forms. Then head to Create New and click Landing Page. Next, choose your landing page template. You can even filter the search by category to get more specific with the landing page design you prefer. From there, pick and choose the template of your choice. Next, you'll start customizing your landing page. Go ahead and give it a title, a high-converting headline, a descriptive copy, a high-quality image that you can upload from any of these 3 options from your computer, Unsplash, or even Instagram, and then go ahead and write a strong, customized call to action in your own voice to encourage visitors to subscribe. You can even utilize the convenient content block that appears on the left in certain parts of the landing page editor and add more creative components to your landing page, like additional imagery, links, icons, or feeds. When you're all done customizing your landing page, you can set up an automated incentive email that will send for you the minute someone clicks on your call to action button to subscribe. In today's example, we're giving away a free checklist. So to automatically deliver that freebie, you'll just need to head to Settings, Incentive, upload your freebie, or paste the URL link to it right here. Then you'll simply head to where you can edit the incentive email content by clicking here. You can customize this email to your liking by adding a personalized subject line, personalized email body content, and even editing the button that subscribers will click on in order to get the freebie that you had promised. When you're all done, you'll click Save, Save Again, and then head to Share so that you can share your landing page to the public and get them on your email list. And that's all it takes. With ConvertKit's landing page templates, you can create the perfect call to action and grow your email list. Start for free today by heading to the link right down below, along with grabbing a few other resources we made just for you. Until next time, keep creating.